The idea with Prove It was, why don't we create a conference where vendors have to compete based on solutions? They have to compare solutions on a common manufacturing facility. So they'll be introduced to the manufacturing facility and we ask them, what would you do for this customer? Like the number one question I ask any vendor is, what problem do you solve?
It's important for us to be able to expand this community and make space to welcome new members. So here we are today in this beautiful facility in downtown Sacramento. We've worked hard this year to create more space and build in new opportunities to welcome more people while still staying true to the heart of what ICC is.
If there is anything you do from this show, you will leave and you will learn Model Context Protocol. You won't call the people who you gave business cards to or anything like that. You will learn MCP. I am begging you to learn MCP. You will not have a job in this industry if you don't know MCP.
So proud of what our software engineering division has created. But of course it takes the whole company, and so we are proud of the way that all divisions of the company have worked together to make this truly the best release ever.
You need to thank Colby and Carl. If you get a chance and you run into Colby or Carl, do me a favor, or anybody from Inductive Automation, give them a big thank you for taking it to this level.